Let it start on our attention. Combine the separate that plug from its connector.
Peeling back our 5S touchscreen completely is going to reveal a metal cover over the connections for our touchscreen, similar to the iPhone 5.